Hey, what's up? Michael from Your Drum Booster here. Quick tip on how to set up your drum kit and playing relaxed behind your kit. So set up the kit in a way that's comfortable for you. So you'll be able to reach everything easily. You know, you don't have to reach out or stand up just to be able to hit that crash or to turn it all the way around to hit your floor tom or whatever like that. Don't set up your kit just to look cool. Set it up in the way that it's easy for you to reach. This will help you develop your creative skills easier because you don't have to focus on where you're going to move if it's too difficult or stuff like that. You know, it's going to help you play more relaxed as well. So it's going to increase your sound as well. So, you know, take it easy and set it up the way being comfortable for you. All right? Have fun.